So, what the heck was up with that little man you were building yesterday? Well, I was building yesterday. We'll finish it now. I did one of these yesterday, but something got corrupted. So, here's the 1/8 inch steel bars. I've used my fencing tool to cut them into about 1 foot sections. Vise ball peen hammer. So the first thing I want to do is put a right angle on these guys. Have them all be the same length. So I put them all in together about the right length. Tighten down the vise. And then bend the shit out of them. Now I've got a right angle, all of them bent equally. Now I want to bend them again, right about where my thumb is. Not 90 degrees, about. Notice my vise isn't strapped down. Having dropped things on my foot that weigh less than this, I can guarantee you this would hurt. About like that. There, that's what I want. And now, we need to bend them one last time. Now you know when you've bent these enough, because these guys will be facing straight down. So I'm going to bend these over until these bad boys all face straight down, which will not be a 90-degree angle. It'll be a little bit further than that. A little more. That's pretty good. You don't have to be perfect. There. Oh. Now, normally I would maybe go ahead and hit these with a brush or something, but no big deal here. So, drop them in the vise just like this. Cinch the vise down. I want these two to be at each other, just like that. Same level. Approximately 120-degree angle here between these two. Approximately. Don't get a protractor out, it's probably not worth the effort. And the same height. So, like that. Now we arc weld, and we'll see if I've got enough light in here to do it by. And it may just be too darn dark here. was a geek in hell, I'd ask if this was hot enough for you. Go. Now I bring the other side in, just like so. Get close. Pardon me while I close my eyes. I'm trying to get a tack weld started just by closing my eyes as I get ready to make contact. But there, tack weld. Get a fender washer. See, it's got a hole in the middle of it. Easy. Alright. Use this just to knock off all the loose crap. Before you ask, yes, that is actually a piece of wood I'm putting this up on. That's because I don't want to weld this thing to my vise. Trick to do here is to fill up that hole, because I don't want there to be a hole there. See the hole? Not for much longer. There we go. Looks like that'd burn you if you touched it, doesn't it? And the fact is, it will. So now I've built a little table. It'll stand on 3 legs. And what I'll do is I'll hit the top with a grinder and I will smooth it off, and then I will paint it. And when it's done and painted, it will look like this. See, I've got the top all machined off. This one I put feet on, also made with washers. And so what's this all for, you ask? Well, here's one of the little men that I was building yesterday. These will sit right on top like that. The weight's down here at the bottom. Put the center of gravity well below the bottom. And the neat little thing they can do is they can walk. So there you go. A neat little toy for what it's worth. Alright, that's it for tonight.